Hello everyone, so here's an overview of Hinge app. So here's Hinge app. It's kind of like a similar dating app to Tinder or Badoo or something else. But what is the main difference? And that here you provide more like detailed answers on questions. So let's start with profile overview. So here's my profile. You just add your photos and videos, standard, and then you have a lot of these questions which you need to answer while you sign up, like what you order for table, like I'm looking for someone who is smart, and then this kind of like different questions which help to discover their profile. And then you have your work, job title, and then you can just hide or show all these details. You can like show your Instagram feed, your different stuff what you do and stuff like that. Then you can drag your photos. You can add prompts. For example, here if you just tap and hold, I guess, you can just tap and add prompt. So select prompt and then you can just do that. Then you can just view your profile. So this is how profile look on Hinge. So this is basically, it's kind of like a long overview. It's not like Tinder. So if I just go to profile, I will see all the like information and all these like questions and all that stuff. So then I can just, for example, like the person, and then I need to add some specific comment, and then I can send like, okay, I can send like without a comment. But Hinge is more like kind of more detailed communication. So it's not like you're just swiping on Tinder just based on the first photo or something. So here you can look at more interests and more details. And then of course if you don't like, you can like remove, report, so stuff like that. Then you, to see who likes you, you need to upgrade or stuff like that. Then there are matches. If you didn't communicate with your matches, they are hidden. So for example, like this, you can you can report, you can remove the matches and stuff like that. So let's try to, if you want to upgrade, these are the prices. So 1 month $19.99, 3 months $39, 6 months $59. So that's that, and again in settings you can see all these preferences basically. So you have advanced preferences here because Hinge has a lot more like data about people, and that's about it. So super simple, but kind of a bit different to Tinder.